Life is a series of commas, not periods, by Edwina White. What does this mean? Well, that was a comment that was made by Matthew McConaughey. And what it is in reference to is in reference to life experiences and how this quote also goes into our lessons in regards to commas. Well, speaking of life experiences, basically that statement is letting you know that some things you experience in life, you may feel stuck, you may feel overwhelmed, stressed, out of options. You may feel like it it is just that it is done, it's over with, there's no need to move any further. Well, the comma represents in this is that it represents a pause. So you take a moment and you pause and take a break. And that comment, it also is made to uplift anyone who feels like there's no hope or they feel like there's no resolution to the problem, which represents another comma. And then you have your to inspire those, to give them another light bulb to look at, another way to look at ideas, another way to refresh themselves and bring themselves back to center, which provides another comma. And then it also provides to cheer that individual on and to motivate them to excel and to achieve those things. And with each thing that individual plans comes what? A comma right after. So a comma is just a break so that you can take time, refocus to achieve your goals. So you keep going, never give up, because some things in life take time. It may not happen when you want it to, but it'll happen when it's supposed to. So don't look at those commas as bad things. Look at those as time to get yourself together and to present what you want to get done. And when you get all those things accomplished, then you can put the period at the end so that way you know that it's final. Thank you for your time, and I hope that you enjoyed this.